Hi, this is Anisha again from weddings.tt, where you can get your events done live, your wedding live. So if your friends and family are not able to make it, they can get onto your website, which will be streamed through weddings.tt. I am here with Alafia from Guardian Life, who is going to tell us all about why they're here at the Wedding Expo at Hillsong today.
Okay, Anisha. Well, we have a lot of persons here who are planning weddings, and we saw it fit to assist them in personal financial planning, which would complement the wedding planning, because after the wedding, there's life after, so you need to be prepared.
What sort of financial planning?
Well, we do planning to cater for untimely death, disabilities, and in the eventuality that you become old and you want to have a comfortable lifestyle, we assist you in planning for that as well.
And what kind of services, like when you say untimely death, and so this is one service, it's the one package?
Well, we have various types of plans. One of our flagship plans, it's called the Life Evolution series, and that is a plan that you can tailor to suit the need of the client, where you can tailor a plan to add disability coverage, critical illness coverage, life insurance. So it's when you're able to meet with an agent and you're able to discuss what your needs are and discuss what your budget restraints are, we will be able to design a plan best suited for you.
For the potential couples that are here today.
Yes, and their friends and family members as well, because they might be able to identify a need that one of their friends or family members might have, so they could recommend those persons to us, because you really want to be prepared for the situation. You don't want to end up only looking for a solution when you find a problem. You want to have the solution, so if the problem arises.
So if we missed it here today, do we just walk into any Guardian Life?
Any Guardian Life office you can visit, and you'd be able to find competent agents that are well trained to be able to offer you wonderful information about personal financial planning.
Do you have a website?
Yes, Guardian Life, we have a website, but we try to maintain that personal touch so that you can come into any of our offices. We represent the Sean Davids unit at the Lennox Barrows branch in Chaguanas, but you can step into any office and you'll be able to get the information that you need.
And these offices are scattered throughout Trinidad and Tobago?
We have an office in Crown Point, no, not in Crown Point, Scarborough, Tobago. We have an office in San Fernando, Chaguanas, a few offices in Port of Spain, and one in St. Augustine.
Well, thank you very much, Alafia, for sharing that.